Lesson 7, Store Promotions. So first of all, when you hear the word store promotion, it is not a negative thing in any means. You just need to be a critical thinker when you're looking at and understanding different promotions to make sure that it's actually a good deal or if it's not a good deal. Okay, you're buying a new stove. It's listed at $989.95. The store has an offer of nothing down and 4 easy monthly payments of $265. What is the cost of the stove on the payment? So part A here says just calculate the costs. So we're just obviously going to go 265 times 4. And you're paying $1,060. Part B says calculate the interest rate from that example. So we're going to take the principal and subtract the future value and subtract the interest. So, or subtract the original amount to figure out the interest. So $1,060 minus $289.95, and the amount extra you're paying is $70.35, and that's actually interest. So when I go into IPRT, our I is that. Our principal is $989.95. Our term is no months, 4 easy monthly payments, so 4 out of 12 months. And we are looking for R. So we have $70.35 equals $989.95 times R times 4 out of 12. So we can times these two things together. So we have 70.35 equals, and if you type that into your calculator, you should get 329.98. Divide by 329.98, and what we get is 0.2132, which means this has a 21.32% interest rate. And think about that. All the credit cards we've been dealing with so far haven't broke over 20%. So not a terrible deal. The thing that's nice about this is you're making 4 payments. It has to be paid by the end of these 4 payments, so you're kind of held accountable to that. But it is a very high interest rate. Okay, next example. You're buying a TV that costs $1,000. You don't have enough to pay cash up front. The store promotion is 15% down and then 5 payments of $215. How much are you paying for this promotion? So 15% down, so we're going to go 15%, 0.15 times 1,000 is 150. So you walk in the store, you pay $150. Then over the course of the next 5 months, you're paying them $215, which is $1,075. So altogether, you're paying them $1,225. You're paying $225 in interest to the store. So that's pretty high. But I mean, now you have a TV, I guess, so life. And that's the end of store promotions. Just be really careful, critical thinkers.